Ka Directorate of Horticulture, Government of Meghalaya, haka arpaway tarik nopra arhajar arpaway, kalapenloy ka distribution program of beehives to the master beekeepers under Agriculture Mission R.0, kabalapenlong haka conference hall jang ka Directorate of Agriculture, Cliff Colony, Shillong. Haka ni kesengi menteri badai pet ya ka rep karyang uba bantai dorling do ulalong ukong san bad haka jingdan ringkat u Dr. Vijay Kumar IAS Commissioner and Secretary Finance bad kiway. Habaya keren haka ni kesengi uba bantai dorling do ulalong baka kam ringap kam day syuk ka baminta Henry Nado kilong shua menchua ba ulaong ru baka kam ringap ka day kaway kabala banyarap ikipad ba kajila banyo kam yo jam.
Bangidon ke jingthu kaba intimtiu kinong rap aho kajala kajungi. Bat na pediang subahai piru kumki nong song snong kinong rap jong kajala kajungi. Kabang i bagari ke kamringap kamreisu kabarang mentah kadai kabala demha nadu tilong suaman suah. Tiban pendek ia kini ke kam ringap. We don't come nam ya kerja trailang. Kumbala batai dari bamulong ketika kam ringap ketika wei kabala shim initiative bang itu dia por masyarakat 1976. Dah ke KVIC kabang iong ke Khadi Village and Industries Commission. But lai hikai lu ba ungo bandang penjana ayah kata kam ringap kabang ka scientific bileri kaba la penmi kambon kana te kani kari ke jingya inti but handai na sokuman shikat dai pa ba menta pa kabang iong kari ka kam ringap kabang iong ka Agriculture Mission 2.0 kaba ngisdang ban hikai lani ngisdang ban peniat ban batai jadi beliau kijongi hagabedi bobon kumbalai keren nilai semua jiran cuma benisami kimiki bibox kali kalau sibenta kaba ngai don kaba inong rep kiyo cemento but don pat bagi nong mio cuma toy makin suatu bahaya dengan kamu. But menteri bupai negara kerja, ngang layo menlek si siapa kejaga bagi ringap kinong rep kijoni. Mentadang alai penai, dang wan nawai kejaga kabagi ringap. Bang gua apa itu ibu kinong rep kedai na kaum dai na pilu bisa berta. KVIC dan juga Industries Department KCI yang itu singa di bawah semua. But anyway, itu ungap umanne, sultanatne, umibang igadorne, umibang igarongne, umuan bandar. Ini dia, kinongrap. But kita kinongrap kau ingat kau bangi hapan senari dengan di lokal sendiri, kebaya hap kejinglong juga klaimi. Te hamta kinap tuan kita sebenarnya. Pagkali ba ay nakaliang jo ka soka ang ibi kam trika tinggal ni keren bagi usaha ng ya selok berki dai na tagadaw bangi sedang ya kenika mission tu no kaba ikwa ban sutu ba ban ikwa ban yo ru ya gejentep na kinawrap kijogi aleng ang buta dan ba kajing pelut bisa jom soka kanum lemri. Bagi nongrak lu ikapor kebakora jompi kanum lemri andai kidai beriak cakran. Bani isya bata kajingrak bat kajing ringap kanlong kabapaka lang kanlong siso nak minta kinong ringap kajing. Kani kalong sibenta kadai kabak ngidang ya wat ya tho ya baik bah bat nrei ngong ipi bangi kwa pelapat kadai. Bagi nongrat kejong nongringat kejong ni, kidai ban mi sekmat kidai ban wan ban yagran bagi officer kejong ni madonaman industri lalu bagi muat banyak makin tip susu man kamsha kadang ba kani ke jing persan jong ni mentah kasni ngom pingin ai kini ki di box sya kini ki iban penmi ya kini banong ban kha susu na kani ka ba ni ai mentah sni next kin sasami ki babun ba lang kani ka ditang na jing ban kha su na kani ka kemi mo te kai ka bang kwa ngom ni pin ne nakaliang dijogi ibedon lang paro lada pidon kanu kabadang don kam ban kamsha pidon kam ang tili amang si bagi nangurap dijogi tinawan na ginong program nakaliang jong kasoka nakaliang ki officer si ay ki jingkran bang batay kisngap tebanay ini miyak indet benriyo ng perkhat pa bangin kumno bangin le packaging yan ni kani kalong si benta kepada yaya inang yakran pat government kamtam nakaliang sukumen mga nakaliang MIE kunjuk industry department niyo kumno bangin perkhat ni benta nilai perkhat kumno bangin le ban nakaliang ka horticulture department kepakongsan ya kadai ka ngidon na kajong ka directorate processing tengin kuah sisa ba nilai ini bentar ba makbul dalam ne ngasarai ba makbul pila ni dia katoka food Indian Institute Food Packaging apa Kolkata ngelawan banjuno ni kakno kajing kain dia tik patik ba kakno kamar bami nang tu begini ni ide ya ka ungap agador lai spa ang aspa bakawan yang nabal ide agador kano san spa hanrei ka bapenmi ba ka wasna hantai ba sedang menta apo food packaging institute food packaging pokoknya kisna ya ka ungap nama kibriyo mentahan ya long health conscious tata ya kani kangap kisna kenjalong ka basyuknyat ka kurkit untuk bukan mula ay kanang beta sini setai. Syakat balai kira sini setai mesti kikuat bang jumpa syukurna. Bat kedua kanung tep san hajar tengkat ni. Ibala refine, ibala le bahal, ibala sumar bahal, mutitai bang don ni syukur tes lu. Yo dan jikta ini. Namar ka lifestyle kadai berkongsan bahal. Pekangap mani tuipi kebangi isna. Nia bu na benta kiladi kawan bu na benta ki pembangin bi kini kan terekam na benta ngeri benai. Ini ki packaging pengilek mengi bobon ki terekam ngeri benai. Tang lai benai lah betai. Pension rai bangisam. Peki somarit ki bangisam. Yang ni bapin penan kam na benta tho am tu na benta ngeri benai. Ngeri lai benai ni bi dapat penan kam betulan. Amang bidang kam bantau na dong sedong kamai sel kuno kader kuno karu kuno to kaba mang laru ngapek lu ngong ipi kamai do so kini ki ba ngong ipi ni pasang nama bantik kini ki benua kini nama kadai ki jingmentoy ajuni yang ini ka spa ka jong ni ngong ipi ni dai ban riba ban suma kadai ni dai ban penek ngong ipi yakina na iba kam dong jinge andre kadai tangka jingi terilang bat nangit skam ba menta kasni kadai kabangin ai ya kini ki nong ringap jungi banang perkha susu ha pi kumba katu kan ni komut menta kasni na hendrei kaba kani ka program ka jungi kan ukut tamanta kani kali ko sedang kani kadai ka jing sedang ka jungi na menta kani ka apicultural mission but masalah hubunai 8 day hubunai March hubunai April kata dihajar mo insasam ay kiniki bibox syaki norap kijong tamangin pa bahan ni kalong kuno pipiak ngin habang monitor kalong kuno kiniki katukan di benai kaya kuno kalong kuno ngamtip mempati di bibox di kalong kuno karong yu mentah deh pasang dor barong jengam ke barong jengam deh tungap imat kam subang barong jengam imat Dendre yang ni kini kemudian ni kiwan mencakap bukan. Di final era ikan ni sepenting. Mo, lada long penting. Nang ba kandai kecil mentah. Karena mungkin wak dalam long tu bila tu. Minum pelan ni, nama kani kamu apa ngelasin kian yang suka. Tidak pelut nama mentah kecil mentah. Jadi orang kecil. Lagi hari ni sini kat nung yang persam. Ngila lebang beda buat kusenrai. Laku dong, Ngila persam kepala memaki kinograk jongi kimik mat ketrestam isarul kimik mat ketrestam ibu bon ngila persang panyarak ngila aji ngila lagi tikani rumah itu fikir dikawai program ni iba kadon ka potensial hadu katata beda baka kamringa jadi nata ada musyukya ndai hapan simlang kelas 10 kinograk ibaro ndai tali nomor ringap manong lapsra baro kinograk jongi hapan yapan ndai don kamu ibi ya ka jing trailang masyarakat mundai ba pinyo itu ki B-box pinyo ki ngap ban penroi ya kini ki kiau ngap mong no den rain la sai pan singi kam long kila kawang no surut mereka ngong don kam ban inform ban itu nang magani ka kam kanum long le noi jing tu ba ka jongi te ngas sachisian ani report I could
gets best price for our farmers. So the goal of our this apiculture mission 2, so we are calling it apiculture mission 2 because previously also there was an apiculture mission, and there also a lot of things were done. Especially that mission, a significant role was played by the industries department. Some representatives from industries department are also here. We are building on that. So because many clusters have been developed in apiculture mission 1. So we want to use some of those clusters, we want to create new clusters. So the focus of this mission will be on looking at existing clusters and supporting them, creating new clusters, identifying master beekeepers. So for every mission, in fact in the state that we do, the people, the master, whether it is piggery, whether it is honey, whether it is any other, the breeders are the most important people. Because unless you have enough breeding capacity, and you are able to generate these hives, the growers cannot have enough boxes and produce the honey. So therefore we are first focusing on the master beekeepers. We have identified these master beekeepers from our existing previous experience, and all of you, some of you who are here, you all have experience because it's a technical activity. So in the first step, we want to give free bee boxes to the master beekeepers so that you can use those bee boxes and you can collect the bees and grow the colonies. Then we will train the clusters. The goal is to train about 5,000 farmers and then distribute bee boxes and other things to them on a 50% subsidy model. So this is the model. Only today for the master beekeepers we are giving free bee boxes, but after that all the benefits under this mission, following the agriculture department standard process, we give a 50% subsidy and the rest 50% comes as a bank loan. But the interesting thing is this bank loan also is zero interest, which means you don't have to repay any interest. So for the beekeepers, it's a 70,000 package, which means 35,000 is subsidy, 35,000 is loan. And in that 35,000 loan also it's zero interest. Means you take 35, you have to repay only 35. And we will arrange all the work with the bank. You don't have to run to the bank or anything. So all that has been worked out. So I'm sure that this will be a wonderful initiative for the next year as we go towards 50th year, and in 22 I think it will be the sweet year with honey, right? So I compliment again our officers who are working hard. I thank the agriculture department and everyone, and most importantly I'd like to once again thank our minister for trusting us, for giving us the guidance to design such an important mission. I'll stop here, and we have a wonderful program. Unfortunately, I have another program, so I have to leave.